What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to another Detailing Made Simple episode, and here's a quick recap on how oxidized, swirled up, and deep scratches this Tesla had. And if you haven't watched the previous video, it will take you to that one where here we use store endgame compound to show you its cutting and finishing capabilities, and this is the after. Of course, this is a two-step with the endgame compound, and I paired it up with some pads to get that finish, and the hood was as well two-step, but the owner only opted to get the one-step, and you could get more details on how we got this finish and why the owner opted for the one-step instead. But all in all, just take a look at that video if you want more info. This one is just mainly on applying C6 Hydro. Alright everyone, so we're up to the coating process and using C6 Hydro, and just to give you a quick rundown of what this process is, I am doing this in real time, and you will see me apply it to the whole entire hood, the front fender, and the headlight side. So you will see the long work time that this gave me, and it's about 50 degrees outside. And then the other thing too is you will see that I did bite a little more than I can chew, and you'll see on the passenger side of the hood that you'll see that I had to apply more coating and then level off right away, so that way I don't leave a high spot because it kind of dried up. But that's pretty much it in a nutshell. Now let's talk about C6 Hydro. What is the coating made out of, and a bunch of questions that I can't even say it's fully true in terms of durability and stuff like that, but based on, you know, Ivan's science, and he's been in the coating industry for many years now, he's saying that C6 Hydro, what it has two components, which is silicon nitride and refined detonated nano diamonds. I can't even say that word, but yeah, so those are the two main ingredients that are in this ceramic coating that allows it from fracturing or premature fracturing over time. And especially with having this type of technology inside the coating, when you apply app onto the paint, it swells up their adhesive promotion polish. It'll swell up the pores of the paint, allowing more coating to embed itself into the pores of the paint, creating a better bond on the coating in itself. But that is what is going on essentially with this C6 Hydro and app from C6 as well. Now, in terms of the detonated nano diamonds, the refined ones, and the actual coating itself with the silicon nitride, it prevents fracturing, which most coatings out there, from what was said from C6 Ceramics, was that these other coatings that are on the industry, they are prone to cracking and fracturing over time, which this coating, C6 Hydro, is resistant to it, and it doesn't crack as easily because of the chemistry that is going on. And what happens is, the best analogy that they have is, think of it like a desert, that it has a bunch of fissures all over the place and all this cracking, but when it rains it gets super smooth, and that's it. And then over time, when the water evaporates from the desert, all these fracturing and fissures happens over time, and that is pretty much what happens to most of the coatings on the market, which is premature cracking and fracturing over time. So with this new technology, it'll help prevent that completely. And yeah, I'm not gonna say prevent it completely, but it's not going to happen as quickly and rapidly as most traditional coatings. And the gloss that you get is absolutely insane. It is just phenomenal, the amount of gloss you get, and the water beading is amazing. Now C6 do have two ceramic coatings that they offer, and this is their professional line. You got to be a certified installer, but they do offer two ceramic coatings, which is diamond, which is their highest gloss, and then of course Hydro. Now, as a consumer, you could get Hydro Light on the DIYdetail.com, or you can even get it at the House of Rags and use code DMS at checkout for 10% off. But if you haven't watched Dimitri's Garage, he did a review on Hydro Light, which is the consumer grade, and you'll see that it made black pop. It has some very good water beading, some crazy water beading action, and obviously it deepened the gloss of the paint. It was just crazy, and the amount of slickness. Now just think of Hydro as supercharged. And same thing with diamond gloss, it's supercharged in gloss. It is just ridiculous. But this is how the paint came out after we did the one step that you saw from the previous video. This is the amount of gloss just on the next day. And yeah, this just looks amazing. But overall, we will see throughout the test of time how well Hydro holds up. But from what I hear from many detailers that have used this, it is phenomenal. And the resistance is crazy, the chemical resistance. So we will see over time. And hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And other than that, I will see you all on the next one. Peace.